Creating timepieces for world champion athletes is common practice in high watchmaking, but making one to mark an exceptional athletic achievement of a world champion, that is a unique endeavor. With the Conquest Marco Odermatt limited edition, Longines creates a sporty yet elegant chronograph that celebrates back-to-back overall World Cup champion Odermatt and commemorates the highest number of points ever amassed in a single alpine skiing season. If you have any questions about this timepiece or about Longines or Les Ambassadeurs, ask us in the comment section and our watch experts will get back to you right away. But what's better than to see this or any other Longines in action and deep dive into the world of timepieces at Les Ambassadeurs? You are always welcome to discover this timepiece with our watch experts at one of our boutiques in Geneva, at the famous Rue du Rhône, in Zurich at Bahnhofstrasse, at one of the most exclusive shopping avenues in the world, or in the beautiful city of Luzern at Kappelplatz. In the meantime, we invite you to our web shop where you can explore a wide selection of the latest Longines timepieces. Longines has a rich history in sports timekeeping. This dates back to 1924 when it provided timekeeping devices for a ski race organized by the Swiss military. Since then, the iconic winged hourglass emblem has been a constant fixture in alpine ski races, with Longines serving as official timekeeper. Given this deep-rooted involvement, it is only fitting for Longines to create a timepiece that pays tribute to one of the most celebrated and influential athletes in alpine skiing, Marco Odermatt. Sporty and elegant. This is what easily describes Odermatt in his sport, and one that designers at Longines sought to reflect on this version of the Conquest. This aesthetic begins with a sunray blue dial that exudes tranquility, but also showcases a forward-thinking style. Complementing this aesthetic choice are silver-toned sub-dials at 3, 6 and 9 o'clock, which have been given a snailed finish to add to their vibrancy and intensity. Surrounding the dial are simple hour markers coated with superluminova for enhanced visibility. The silver-polished hands are also similarly coated, with the tip of the central seconds hand and the hands for the 12-hour and 30-minute counters tinted in red, adding that touch of elegance to the overall design. The 42mm in diameter and 14.30mm in height stainless steel case is waterproof up to 100 meters and equipped with a screw-down crown protected by a raised guard module. The sporty and elegant theme of this timepiece is crowned by a tachymetric bezel with a blue ceramic insert. The case is topped on both sides with anti-reflective sapphire crystals, with the case back adorned with a decal of the crystal globe, the emblem of the Alpine Skiing World Cup, won by Odermatt for the past 2 years. The case back also bears an engraving of 1 of 2042, emphasizing its limited edition status. The number 2042 holds significance as it represents the points scored by Odermatt during the 2023 season. If you are on the path to greatness, ready to conquer your limits and set new heights, this might be your ideal companion on your journey. Longines has created a timepiece which will be a reliable choice thanks to its robustness, but without compromising its elegance and beauty. Nevertheless, as we always say, it is all about you, and your opinion matters to us. Why not giving it a try at one of our boutiques with our watch experts together? Powering this timepiece is Longines' L898.5 caliber, which comes equipped with a silicon balance spring and other innovative components that are 10 times more magnetic resistant than the ISO 764 benchmark standard. This self-winding movement beats at 28,800 vibrations per hour and offers a power reserve of up to 59 hours. This special edition comes on a blue fabric strap with white stitching and 4 red stitches, echoing the color of the hands. The strap has a folding clasp with a micro-adjustment system for a comfortable, non-slip grip on the wrist. It is complemented by a second NATO strap in the same color. Celebrate this unique sporting achievement by one of the modern legends of alpine skiing. The Longines Conquest Marco Odermatt edition is limited to just 2,042 pieces worldwide and priced at 3,800 Swiss francs. We are delighted to have the Longines Conquest Marco Odermatt limited edition at either one of our boutiques or via our online store, where you can even take advantage of our super fast flash delivery service. We will deliver any timepiece on stock within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. Are you a fan of collaborations between athletes and watch brands? If you were to own a watch brand, who would be your all-time favorite collaboration, dead or alive? Your opinion matters to us. Please share your questions, experiences, and thoughts in the comment section. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to never miss the latest news, releases, and hands-on reviews ever again. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.